A superb self-stretch to use with yourself or your clients to give them as homework is a little pec on the wall piece. Now, yes, we are going to be opening up the anterior aspect of the body, but with this as well, we really want to focus on drawing the scaps together. This is an excellent piece, and again, we're going to flow through a little bit because fascia loves the flow. So, depending on positioning, with some clients, they may find it easier to go into a split stance with the opposite leg forward. Some clients may find it a little easier with the same leg forward. Whatever works for the client, no problem at all. So, main thing is, the shoulder stays on the wall, and I start with the arm in a low position against the wall. From there, I just start to rotate a little bit, and then I'm thinking about bringing this scap towards each other and flow back out. Bring the scaps towards each other and flow back out. If I want to change the head position and start looking down towards my pocket, no problem, and I can flow through in those positions. From there, I bring the arm up a little higher, keeping the shoulder against the wall, and again, bring the scaps together and flow through, changing that head position each time. Arm comes up again, flow through, bringing the scaps together and keeping the shoulder against the wall. If I come up a little higher and I see that my shoulder or the client's shoulder is coming away from the wall, no problem, doesn't make you a bad person. You're just going to bring your arm back down to where you can successfully keep the shoulder against the wall and flow through in those positions. So again, we can bring the scap towards each other or the scaps towards each other, and we can change the demand a little bit or change the area of opportunity that we focus on by altering that neck position as we flow through each individual spot.